Hey guys, I'm here today with some ULANZI stuff. I'm a big fan of the ULANZI mounts, holders whatsoever. I've made already a couple of videos about their products and they have been working absolutely awesome. By the way, I'm not affiliated with this company. This is not a paid reviewer, so I'm going to give you my totally honest opinion on these things, especially these universal mounts. Actually, they are called Go Quick II 1/4-inch screw adapter mount set. I think the model is C16, something like that. And I bought 3 of them without having tested even one. That shows already how much I trust this brand. But of course, if they are not working, I will send them back. But I've already made a video also about this neck holder. This is absolutely awesome. One of the best products for video recording, especially for GoPro. You can just open that, put it around your neck, hold it like that. By the way, that's a DJI Action 4. And why I'm showing you this here as well is because it's also part of this Go Quick II family. And so we cannot only release it here with this normal GoPro adapter when I remove this screw, but I can also, I think I can click here. Yeah, maybe I remove the camera first to be safe. I've never done this before. So here's a button. We can click here and then rotate the whole thing counterclockwise 90 degrees and then remove it. And it has even a magnet, so you can see it holds here even in place. And I think that works exactly like these adapters here, but we are going to find out. So I put it back. You can see absolutely awesome, snaps in, and then we have this button outside so we can see if it's locked or not. But of course, I want to see if it also works with some other ULANZI tripods or even normal standard tripods. So this is what we get here. So I take one out. And so we have one of them. And so we have it here. And I'm going to tell you why I've decided for this one. It's not only because of the ULANZI. It has some really phenomenal things here. So basically, it fits on every 1/4-inch tripod mount. This is a standard tripod mount, has nothing to do with ULANZI. So I put it here just on top, has good fit. But now here comes the interesting thing. So we have on top as well a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount, but it's not a normal one, not a complicated one, where you have this small plate inside and then you need a screwdriver or at least a coin to secure something. Here we have this really nice convenient screw built in, and so we don't need any tool to mount anything. Here I don't have a camera, I've just a light. My son has currently my second action camera, which is a GoPro. Could have used that, but I can also use this light here, doesn't matter. So you can see how nicely this works here, super fast, and it has a really secure hold. You don't have to be worried. You can also mount a DSLR camera here. It looks really solid. For me, also a good reason to buy it because of this screw, which you can easily use without a tool. But the best thing is actually this quick release adapter here. So we have also this button here which you can push and then also rotate 90 degrees and remove it. And so I can do again same thing here. It's a little bit harder to turn. I don't know why. It's supposed to be standard, but let's see. So I'm coming here from this neck mount and I still have the Action 4 on the standard GoPro mount. I mean, they have their magnetic connection anyway. That's on top of everything, but I still have it on the GoPro mount. And now I can use this ULANZI mount and push it here inside. Did you see how nice, how easy this worked? Absolutely awesome. So after I've been using that, for example, like with this tripod, I can just push this button, rotate it 90 degrees, and then put it back here to this neck strap and can start video recording while others are still dealing with tripod problems, connector problems. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing, and so on every tripod which I'm planning to use, for example this camera, and then I can just switch without having to screw. That's absolutely phenomenal, and I guess it's exactly same thing with the Go Quick II Flexible Tripod. That made a good impression. Let's see what we get here. Get this GoPro mount. And so we have exactly the same thing, except that we have a red button. Looks a little bit more fancy. Let's try this also here. Add it. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Easy to remove. And we also have the magnet here. But the magnet is not very strong. It cannot hold a camera or so. It could hold the adapter in place, but not the whole camera, not even an action camera. Yeah, what do you think? How flexible this is? Absolutely awesome. Much better than any other small tripod. You could also wrap it around something or use it as a selfie stick like that. Pretty cool, I would say. Also great quality. So maybe that was a little bit too much confusion for you, and it was actually also for me. So let's recap the whole thing, the whole system, and what we get here with this tripod. So the basics is that we have this system which is made out of two parts. So we have always a lower part and we have this upper part, and the upper part can be either a 1/4-inch tripod mount or such a GoPro mount. And in this set we get always a standard lower part and the 1/4-inch tripod mount. Here with this ULANZI, the lower part is already built into the tripod, so you can't remove that. Same thing here also with this neck mount, you can't remove that. And as an upper part, here you get only the GoPro adapter. Here with this tripod, you get a GoPro adapter and a 1/4-inch tripod mount adapter on top. So this will fit then not only for action cameras, but also, for example, for normal DSLR cameras or even phone holders. I'll show you that here. So on top we add the part with the 1/4-inch tripod mount, and then on top we put such a phone holder. Very easy to attach. So I hope that made it a little bit easier to understand. So everything has been working really good. I love this. My only real complaint, I mean, it's still a very minor complaint. My only complaint is that with this neck strap here, the adapter is a little bit hard to secure. I mean, every adapter works on every holder here, but I think the holder here on the neck strap is the hardest to release. I mean, we can still do that, no big deal, but when you have a camera on it, maybe a little bit more difficult. The other holders have pretty much no resistance, but everything working exactly how I was expecting this. Another great series of products from ULANZI, definitely no question about that. And so if you're interested, you can find the links to all these ULANZI products, which I've been showing you down in the description of the videos. You can check it out and order stuff which you like for you as well. And that's, so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with one of these items, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.